I think this is the thumbnail. You can even turn this into a fishing hook if you need. Straighten this and fishing hook. Okay. Oh yeah, looks pretty good. Nothing coming out. You can use the screwdriver. Okay, and then pin for your SIM card or anything when you need to reset. It's a reset pin for your internet TV box reset. I think this turned out pretty well. No need to buy any special. Okay. This is the Victorinox Tinker, upgraded to have a pin. A reset pin or a SIM card tray pin. Easy to take out. Safe. It doesn't come out because of the Nice and snug. This is how to make pin, how to upgrade the Victorinox tinker to have a pin. This is a small needle in here that can be used as a reset pin or as a needle. Let's do it. This is the Victorinox tinker and I will add a little bit of lanyard here. I don't want to do anything fancy, nothing fancy. Safety scissors. Okay, now you made it more awkward, but it's easier to dangle it like this now. When you're bored, you dangle it and you find water like this. No, you don't. But you know what I mean. This piece of rope could be useful for something also. You can unravel it. You can unravel the winding and use it for something as a more thin string. Paracord adding to Swiss Army knife. Why it's important to have the paracord there, I'll show you right now. Piece of paracord on the Swiss Army knife can be used as many small strings, like so, like so. This is a nice hollow tube, smaller strings. So, one more string. This can be unraveled. This is really strong. Nice line. One more. This is so annoying. Why would you use this lanyard on your knife? Still makes noises. I guess you could hold it like this. Yeah, this is one way. Let's see. Noisy ring here. How to fix this? No need for the whole lanyard. Unravel the lanyard. You can unravel the paracord. Unravel the paracord and the worst part is here when I open this, screwdriver goes in. This is the worst part. Okay, how to fix this? Heat shrink tubing. You could make this, open it and use it as a fishing hook or whatever, but I don't need it for now. Yep, some heat. And now this goes in once it's okay. Wiggle, 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 wiggle and pull. Oh wow, perfect. You've never seen this before, I bet. This is really so smooth and it will stay locked there. This is a secret way of using a Swiss Army knife. Place a bit of shrink tubing here. So this, the Victorinox should change it. They should add a piece of rubber here on this ring to make it smooth. No more noises. Yeah, don't forget to put the improvised pin back. This is my custom-made Victorinox Tinker. Customized so far how I prefer it, how I want it. I try to use the lanyard, but I don't want to make it more bulky. I want to keep it small and simple. This pin is really useful here. Thanks for watching.